Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to do a video that has been requested quite a few times by some of my subscribers and followers on Instagram, and that is how I organize my cleaning supplies and my cleaning appliances. This is our utility closet. I'll show you all the appliances that I have to keep my house clean, and I really don't have a lot. I used to have more, but I realized I never use them, so this is what I use, and it's super simple. I have a mini broom and dustpan, and I think everyone has one of these. I have a larger broom and dustpan, which again, everyone has. This is my mop. It's kind of like a reusable Swiffer. You put this on there, and then you just take it off, rinse it, wring it out, wash it when you're done, and that's it. It's so simple to use. I also have a Dyson vacuum, which I love because all the attachments are on here. This pulls out and you can get into tiny places, and it has the attachments. I love it because it's so easy to use all the attachments and it works really well. And then I just hang the broom and the mop right here on one of these little hooks. Then we have our step stool that I use all the time to get into things. And we have a fire extinguisher in every closet. And then we have our little broom and dustpan hanging there. And that's my husband's ladder that he left here. And I just store this up here for the mop. These are our tools that we use for our home. These are all our light bulbs that we replace as they go out. In here I just have extra extension cords and TV things. I was just using this drill, so I need to put that away properly. Then I have my own set of tools besides my husband's tools that I can use when he's gone. And then I just have some picture hanging stuff in here. Then up here we just have fans for summertime. And then this is a scale for sending things. And then I have an emergency lantern back there. This is where I store my kitchen cleaning supplies. Here I have some dishwash liquid. I don't use my dishwasher very often, barely ever. And this is the Grove Collaborative Concentrates. Here's the floor cleaner, the countertop cleaner, and the glass cleaner. Then I have a little bit of this countertop cleaner left, Mrs. Meyer's, but I actually prefer the Grove Collaborative ones. And then this is where I keep the concentrates. So all you have to do is open this up, pour it into here, and then you fill the rest with water and you're ready to go. Along with decluttering and becoming more minimal, I also started to look into more eco-friendly options for cleaning and just things to use in my home that are less toxic. One thing I did is I joined the Grove Collaborative, and that's just a place that sells all eco-friendly and non-toxic cleaners and supplies for cleaning, and that's really helped. I'll leave a link below if you want to check that out as well. They have their own range of products, but they also have a lot of other companies under their site. So if you want to check it out, it's linked below. This isn't sponsored or anything. It's just something that I've changed and gone to make it easier to find healthier, non-toxic products. One of the biggest changes I made is I took everything that was a cleaning product from under my sink where I used to keep it that the kids could actually get into. We had to have a lock, and I thought, why am I storing all this under my sink when I can put it in a higher cupboard away from the kids that they can't get into? Under my kitchen sink, I've hung my gloves, so after I use them, they can dry out. Then I just have a refill for the dish soap that we've been using. I also have a hand soap refill. Then in here is where I just keep some of our cleaning supplies. So some backup cleaning brushes. This is a 100-year-old Ziploc bag, but some sponges that are ready to go. I've switched to these more eco-friendly ones, the brown one, but the blue ones are just left over. And then I have one of these straw cleaners in case I need to get into small areas. And I also have a plug, obviously, for dishes, and that is it. And then this is our water system, water filtration system, and I can link all of these supplies below. Also in the kitchen, we have a fly swatter, we have a large box of large trash bags, and then we have the kitchen trash bags, and behind that I have some emergency paper towels that we just about never use, but that's where I store these items. And as you can see, we have a lot of space since decluttering. In each of my bathrooms, I like to store some cleaning products there. For instance, toilet bowl cleaner, because I'm only gonna ever use that in the bathroom. So I store that along with some extra toilet paper. And I also store the toilet scrubber brushes in there, and I store some old used sponges that I only use for cleaning the bathrooms. In my upstairs bathroom, I store some toilet cleaner, some tub and tile Grove Collaborative concentrate. I use this, it's a kitchen scrubber, and I didn't really like it, so I'm using it for the bathroom. It's called Full Circle, so I don't recommend it because look how wide the head is, but anyway, it's good for scrubbing the tub. And then I just have an old scrubber, and I have some gloves. And this is a really cute caddy. It's nice to keep everything together, and I just put this under the bathroom sink in the upstairs bathroom. Now we are on the landing right outside the bathroom, and in here is where I store more toilet paper, the iron, and the humidifier in case anyone ever needs that. What I find about the products I'm using now is I don't have to have as many as I used to. A lot of them are multi-purpose, or at least I'm using them that way, and they're working really well. So that's one plus to what I'm using now. Also, with having less, it's easier to get to the products, and I can organize them in a way where I'm not having to reach to the back to get something and knock things over at the front. So it's just been a lot better to have less products. Make sure you click right here to see how I helped my friend declutter her bedroom. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a video and join our Simple Living community. You can also find me on Instagram and the vlogging channel, and I will have all of it linked below.